if you're a developer looking for a reliable way to manage background jobs, you might be curious about Trigger.dev. But is it really the best solution out there? Let's dive into what this platform offers and if it's worth your time. Trigger.dev is designed specifically for developers who need a straightforward way to handle background jobs and workflows. At its core, it allows you to run tasks asynchronously without bogging down your main application. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easier to set up and manage jobs without a steep learning curve. One of the standout features is its ability to integrate seamlessly with popular programming languages and frameworks, which is a huge plus for those already entrenched in specific tech stacks. The platform also offers detailed logging and monitoring, so you can keep an eye on job statuses and performance metrics. However, while the core functionality is solid, some users might find the documentation a bit lacking, especially if you run into specific use cases or need advanced configurations. Overall, it seems well suited for small to medium projects, but larger teams might need to consider scalability in the long run. So, what are the pros and cons? On the plus side, Trigger.dev offers a user-friendly interface and great integration options, making it accessible for developers at various skill levels. The monitoring tools are also a strong point, helping you track job performance without hassle. On the flip side, there are some drawbacks. The documentation could use some improvement, as it might leave some users feeling a bit lost when they encounter unique challenges. Additionally, while the pricing is competitive, larger teams may find that costs can add up quickly if they scale up their usage. This platform may not suit developers looking for highly customizable or complex job management solutions. However, if you're working on standard background tasks and appreciate simplicity, Trigger.dev could be a great fit. In conclusion, Trigger.dev is a solid option for developers needing a straightforward way to manage background jobs. It's particularly beneficial for smaller projects, but may not meet the demands of larger teams looking for extensive customization. If you value ease of use over complexity, it's definitely worth giving a try.